We organized this workshop about national policies, started from EOSC Synergy project with the collaboration of other regional projects. All these projects are reaching the end of their life, and so we have results that we wanted to share with the community.
The session we just ended was on open science and EOSC policies and their counterpart at the national level, and we also spoke about the harmonizations.
They have been chairing a session on funding policies. The purpose of the session was really to understand and discuss the work that the regional projects did in their countries and regions about funding policies.
What the session was about access policies and what the experience from the regional projects was really the practical advice what we have to improve in order to give access transnational, for example, to services and data.
EOSC-Pillar presented two important outcomes, guidelines for harmonized open science policy at national level and overcome some problems on IPR and protection of personal data, and the methodology that has been developed for creating business model for the EOSC services.
So we have to find ways to make policies that are national come together. We have to find ways to have legal regulation that is national come together, and we have to find a way to leverage national funding so that we can build something that is bigger than the sum of the parts, that serves all of Europe but is nationally owned and nationally funded.
NIFOS Europe supports the establishment of national open science initiatives in 15 member states and associated countries. The regional project model has tangible results in EOSC governance in this region and should continue. EOSC stakeholders should translate to a proper business model. The motto "free at the point of use" does not mean free at the point free of charge. And we ran an open call for providing access to our thematic services, generic services, and repositories to the broad pan-European research community in order to test the services, engage scientists in open science, and contribute in EOSC capacity building.
The social element of this first big conference after COVID was very good. It's nice for the community. I think overall my impression was the atmosphere was very constructive, very positive. Everybody trying to look forward aligned. And when I say everybody, I mean the projects, the 5B projects, I mean EOSC Future, I mean the EOSC Association representatives that are here, I mean the EOSC Steering Board representatives that are here, and even the Commission who also participated in the event.